Okay, I was recording the potentiometer placement and my phone just stopped. I'm not sure why, but it did. So here's the potentiometer out now. Here's the new one. So let's put this new one in. It has a nut. And it has these little keeper things. I'm going to bend these little keeper things down because they don't really apply to my job here. So these will get bent down. And they'll probably hit the aluminum and grip onto it, which is fine. All right, so I bent those down like that. And let's put this in now. Like that. I would like to bolt that down before I solder, because it's going to be jumping around. So the middle had the capacitor. The capacitor would go in the middle, and the middle goes over to here. So I'll need a piece of wire or something. All right, so the plan is capacitor there, a piece of wire from here to here, and this resistor and this piece of wire. So really I should rotate this like this, like that. Yep, that's good. And attach the resistor to the pin over here. Resistor goes there, and will it reach? Yeah, barely. So I'll spin it so that'll reach. The capacitor goes in the middle. This wire, I chopped, let's see this wire. Will it reach? I might just hack it onto there. All right, that's the plan. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.